morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the video. I hope you're all having a great day. Today we are heading down to the garage, pick up the Dodge Challenger, and we're heading to the shop doing some brake and rotor upgrades. I'm excited about that. Over the past couple of weeks racing it, the car has been shaking terribly on the brakes, so it is time. I don't know if these are factory brakes and rotors on the car, but it is time we do some upgrading. We're heading down to grab the car now. We are going to wake up the neighborhood and then head up to the shop. So if you guys aren't aware, and it doesn't really focus, it's sunlight, I do not keep my Challenger at my house per se. My brother rents a house down in this townhouse area. He rents a garage off of them, which I pay him and put my car in. There's a lot of older people that live down here, and I know my neighbors hated me at home, so they cannot like me here. It is 8 o'clock in the morning, not too early, but nice little cold start. Driving her away without ample time to heat up. It's fine. It's about 66 degrees outside this morning. Alright guys, we're heading to the shop now, changing my brakes and rotors, so I will catch you when we get there. Alright, keep. Oh, wow, rust.
Yeah, we'll clean all that up.
She's a beaut. The rust is falling out of it. Gotta make sure they're good and clean before install. There you go.
That bracket fits in behind and the bolts go through.
Yeah. Oh, that's threading in like butter now.
Yeah, it locked tight on it coming out.
Yep. decent. Looks good. The black and the blue with the gray. Hell yeah.
Good wheel set.
Yeah. There we have it. First side done. She looks fantastic. I'm loving the color combos with the black, the gray, and the gray and the blue. It looks absolutely amazing. Now we're on to the other side. I'll time lapse that, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so the final picture, here we go. I'll show you what the rear looks like, so what it looked like before. As you can see, I'm loving the new look with the black. You can barely see it with the picture. The rotors are now black with the accent of the gray brake pad and the blue on the caliper. It looks fantastic. Just finishing up putting the wheels back on. Obviously I didn't do the other side yet. Torquing everything down and button everything up. We'll be good to go. Easy job once we figured out what to do. Here's what it looks like without the tire on yet. She looks good. And for not having like any high-end brake sets, when I did, you guys check out the other videos I've done, coloring the brake calipers to match the car. Fantastic, looks great, all the color combos. I love it.
That's all we need to know.
Yep.
Throw it up, check it out. I want to put it down first and get the brakes straight.
Yeah.
Put it back up.
Yeah.
Or do they, I think they have a regular one.
She looks mint. It looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
Always make sure to press the brakes down after doing this job.
Oh yeah.
Pump the brakes. Or you won't stop when you want to. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me upgrading the Dodge Challenger RT I have. I've we put new brakes and rotors on it. something different on the channel, but I like to post as much as I can on this car with every time I upgrade it. The brakes are acting very, very good, and a hell of a lot better now that every time I don't hit the brakes, you know, it's like an earthquake in here. And I can't wait to take them racing, and you know, just drivability with them is just total night and day now. So next step, I only did the front brakes this time because they were the worst. Next time we'll be doing the rear brakes, but they just weren't needed to be upgraded, so I'm gonna let them go for the time being. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. We just passed 800 subscribers. We are climbing closer and closer to 1,000, and I just can't believe it. Hit that button if you're new, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a nice day, and we'll see you later.